Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a location on your photo on iPhone. So first you tap on the photo you want to add a location to. So for example, I'm going to tap on this photo and then I can tap on the eye icon there on the bottom and tap on add a location, and then you can just enter a new location. So for example, Bali, Indonesia. So tap and then that's it. But if you want it to be more specific, like the name of a hotel or name of a cafe, you can, or a restaurant, you can just tap the name of the so for example, I'm gonna add a hotel in Bali. So for example, Lloyd's in Bali, and there you go. So tap and then that's it. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.